Today, we're going to go from this to this. I do not know what this channel is, but this is a 2004 Suburban that I bought in 2010. It runs fine, but it's showing its age. It definitely needs some cosmetic work, like a new dash, maybe a driver's seat, and there's no AC, but the windows work, kind of. Just not very well, and so those rails are going to have to be replaced, and the passenger window is stuck open a couple inches. A few years after I bought it, I installed a puck lock, and I built a theft deterrent cage inside. At any rate, one of the easiest and highest return acts of maintenance that you can perform on an old vehicle like this is to replace the rear shocks, so that's where we're going to start. And after a little bit of musical cars, I started working on getting it on some jack stands, but my driveway is on a bit of an incline, so that wasn't going to work. I moved over to level ground and was going to use pavers under the jack, but the ground was pretty soft, and yeah, cracking myself up. Not really mad about it, though, because it just means I need to go to St Martinville. And look, I'll say it right now. I am not a mechanic, but I did grow up working on cars. My first car was a 79 Vet. A Chevette. But great for learning the basics. And I've worked on every car I've owned since. And the man that taught me everything that I know in that regard is this man right here. Mr. Daryl James Savoy. This was the key to the whole day. He suggested doing one side at a time, which worked out great. He also suggested dropping the spare, which was absolute genius. There's only 2 bolts that you need to remove. One here, and one down at the bottom here.
Well, look, what's this?
That's
7/8, huh?
the other 7/8.
Yeah, that'll work.
Without the adapter.
Right.
Sweet.
So it's loose.
Yeah, it's already loose. Is that it?
Done.
There it goes. Hell yeah.
Let's see, just let it hang straight down. Oh no, you can't.
Yeah, I
okay.
can't.
Yeah, I see. Okay.
I got it.
There's a spacer in there. So you're gonna get to where you won't be able to tighten it. It'll be solid.
Oh, okay. Oh, yeah. There we go. So the way that we did this was we put a heavy-duty flathead screwdriver down there at the bottom so we could manipulate the piston into place once we cut off the restraining band.
What do you need? Up, down?
You go lower for me, and I got to come back towards me. Got it.
As tight as I can get it.
I think we'll go with that. One down, one to go. Yeah. So you move over and you do it again. It's essentially a pretty easy job. Well, as long as you have solid help from someone who could actually build you a car. But now, she's smooth as silk. Thanks for making it this far. Hey, throw me a like. And maybe even subscribe. It would mean a lot to me. If you like the vids, there's more to come, and I'll see you then.